Mmm.
What you think?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Welcome to the family garden again, friends. So today we're going to pick strawberries. And today our strawberries is red and the blueberries just start to grow. And today it's really hot. And some of our vegetables are growing, and we water some plants today. So we're going to plant more stuff, Mommy said, but we almost done.
All right. So let's see what we can pick with these strawberries. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I cheated and I tasted one.
And one strawberry is pink.
All right, so here we are. This is one of our pots. Now,
The free pot.
so this one is beautiful, but I think it can get a little bit more red. Maybe. What do you think, Lay?
Yeah, it probably can get more reddish.
Yeah.
Well, one, I think it can get more red.
Yeah. We've had some bug pressure, as you can see. This one also looks good, but I feel like they're a little light.
Guys, this was the saddest day.
Why?
Because the caterpillar was on the things what we gardened.
Yeah. All right, Layla, let's come over here. So we have one here.
That one, wait, what? Wait, that's a baby one.
I know, but it's probably not going to get any bigger.
Oh, baby one.
You like anything small. We have some over here. Now, see, this is what I'm talking about. Lee, hold this. This is what I'm talking about. You see how red that one is? And it could be because it's turning. It might be dying. But look how red that one is. Focus. Focus. My camera won't focus.
It's focusing now.
Oh, there we go. It's beautiful, but then you turn around, it's just like meow, 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 meow. So I'm gonna let this one. I'm gonna let the bugs have this one, or squirrels, whoever wants it. But yeah, so look at this. So
Pick the strawberries.
I don't see any we could pick yet. So we have these, and it has some more coming. Like there's a ton of strawberries on here. So we will get some. They're just not quite ready yet. I mean, we could probably take this one.
Yeah.
You want to take that one?
Probably we can get that one.
I know, but I think it can get more red. We should probably
No.
cover it.
Well, my finger's gonna be dead.
I know.
after
We're going to cover it. How about that? I'll show you. Okay, let's keep going.
Come on, follow behind.
Let's see. We have some over here.
Now some over here. Maybe some we can pick.
This one is teeny tiny, but
It looks like I have a butt.
really. I probably need to put more mulch on these so that I can keep them out of the dirt.
This one we can't get.
Not yet, but I'm pretty
You
sure.
didn't water it a little.
I did water it.
No,
We just
back
watered it.
here a little.
All right, we can water again. But yes, and then you guys can see like the the blueberries are just, oh man, I tell you, I cannot wait. Look at all of these blueberries.
Now the blueberries look yummy, sweet.
Yeah.
Mommy, one time at school, I ate one blueberry, the whole thing.
What did you think of it?
Fine.
Okay. Now I have one more.
That good.
Not that good. I have one more place where we have strawberries. So we're gonna go over there, see if we can pick any. Here they are. Ah!
Yeah, we can look at them.
Here. No, stay over that way.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I said stay over that way. Okay. So We have a bunch of them right here.
Yeah, and probably we can get this one.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think you're probably right. And there's another one back here.
Yeah.
Do you want to pick it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This one?
Uh-huh. Good job.
And then here.
You want to get this one too?
Okay.
Can you see it?
A spider.
Girl, he don't want us. He protecting the strawberries. Come on. See, he not even thinking about you. Good job. Okay. Now we have some in here, but I think the bugs got to them before us. Yeah. Those are good ones too. Oh, we could probably take this one, Lay.
No, I don't like.
I'm taking this one. Yeah, this one's good.
No.
Yeah, that one's good. This one's not. This one has bugs.
I don't like that. No, get it away.
Laylah,
from
stop, girl.
me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want
It's
you to
okay.
get away from me.
All right. Let's go to the other side.
I don't want to do this.
All right, y'all. We have some more strawberries that are growing here.
That one's definitely bigger.
Some in here. I probably need to mulch this too. These were some ones that I thought were dead, but they look like they're trying to do something. Yeah, and then these ones, they died, y'all. I'm not sure why, but yeah. All right, guys. Hey guys, Editing Gleesy here. I'm interrupting Laylah's video because we didn't get that many strawberries, but there were several strawberries that I wanted to come back and get. And hey, look at this. Yes, I will fight the wasp for my strawberries because he was on my strawberry just now. But yes, let me show y'all the strawberries now. So in that video you saw, I was like, I think they can get a little bit more ripe, and your girl was right. So look at that. This one is like perfect. 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 Let's see. This one here. Although maybe something started to nibble on that one. Look at this. Y'all, it don't get no better. Now, the problem is, look at that. Do I wait for Laylah bug or do I go ahead and pick them? Let's see what's over here. Oh yeah, they look good too. I'm gonna try real hard to wait, y'all. I'm gonna try.
This other one's supposed to.
Almost ready.
Mommy, I just have as a blueberry too.
Can you get this one? The one on the other side?
That?
No, turn it. Turn it the other way.
That one.
Yeah, that one. Good job, sweetness.
That one was so hard.
Okay.
Oh, not that.
We can get that one. This one right here.
I'm never gonna eat that one.
Here, hold it.
You're never gonna eat that one ever and ever and ever.
Why?
Because I don't like that.
Oh, got a little blemish on it.
Yeah.
I'm okay with a little blemish. Okay. I don't know what we're gonna do with them. Here, can you hold this?
Strawberries. Hey, I was gonna say something. Oh, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Can I say something to the video?
Absolutely.
So today we got the strawberries, our little strawberries.
All right, let's go to the other side.
Come on.
You can go this way.
I want to go that way.
Okay, go that way. I don't know why you want to go that way, but okay. Okay.
Mommy, talk to me.
The spider doesn't want you. Come on, let's get these ones.
I love the spider.
Oh, come on, sweeties.
Mommy,
What do you
our
see?
spider webs got on the strawberries a little.
Okay, watch out. It's okay.
Spider's right there.
Take that
Look,
one.
look,
What? It's not a spider on it.
there's a spider.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see a spider,
The
baby.
white.
That's not a spider, Laylah. Those are not great. So, okay, sweets. I can't hold you like this. Come on. Let's walk back that way.
No,
Oh my goodness. You just wanted to come this way. Go ahead. Actually, no. Oh. Okay. I see maybe one more. You gonna hold it?
Oh.
Hold this. Look, we have peppers.
Where's the pepper?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Ah!
What?
There's a mosquito.
Oh, it is a mosquito. All right, we gotta get inside before he eat us.
Huh?
I said we gotta get inside before he try to eat us.
Ah, there's a bug on me.
Huh?
There's a bug.
All right, girl. All right, don't drop the strawberries. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, go. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, that's it. We picked out strawberries. Not bad. I'll take this. See you guys. So, show them my beautiful harvest.
We
got 3 strawberries today. Should we try them?
No, I don't want to try it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try them because
I want
to
to wash them.
We just washed them.
No, I want to wash them.
Here, we can wash them with the water hose. Hold that. You gotta go back some. Maybe. Let's put this down.
You're definitely gonna see me.
All right, you ready?
What?
Girl, back up. Lay, there's nothing there. Back up. Hold it in. Back it up some more. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try one? Tell me how they are.
Not yet.
Not yet. Well, let me have one. I'm going to try.
I'm gonna try that one.
Okay, well, you can have that one. Here, take that one.
You got dirt.
Girl, it's not dirt.
He's kidding.
And I guess I'll try this one.
Why the dirty one?
This is a dirty one. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Cheers.
It's dirty.
Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm.
Try it.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. What?
Girl, just eat the strawberry. It's nothing there.
Mmm.
What you think?
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
Tastes like a little watermelon.
It has a watermelon-y flavor.
Yeah. A little juicy.
It's juicy. Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining Laylah on her strawberry video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, all you got to do
It's just put seeds in the ground.
put seeds in the ground. See you in the next video.
And we're gonna plant strawberries next time.
Bye, guys.